Switch on your cameras, please, everyone. Now, suppose you have this question. Integrate dx by under root of a square minus x square. So if you come across a question where you have root of a square minus x square, the substitution would be in such a way that under root will go away. So you have to substitute x is equal to a sin theta. So क्या फायदा होगा? Under root will go away. And when you differentiate this with respect to theta, it would be a cos theta. So you can replace dx by a cos theta d theta. So after the substitution, this integral will be a cos theta d theta divided by root of a square minus x square. X square is a square sine square theta. So when you simplify it further, you take a common, under root of 1 minus sine square theta, which is cos theta only. So integration of 1 would be theta. So after this substitution, it is theta plus cn. What is theta? Theta you'll get from here. X by a is sine theta, and sine inverse x by a is theta. So theta is sine inverse x by a. So the first result is this sine inverse x by a. So this is the first result of standard integral. So you have to remember this formula, and whenever you use this formula, you should write it also that using the formula. And at the end of the day, you'll realize that all the formulas you'll understand and learn also. So the best part to learn the formulas is that whichever formula you use, just write it over there using this formula. So this is the first result. So similarly, we can get other results also, but I'm not deriving all of them. I'll simply write the formulas. The first formula is dx divided by root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a plus c. The second result is dx divided by under root of x square plus a square. So if you come across x square plus a square without root, and there's no root over here, so it'll be 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So the second result. And for this, the substitution would be x equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. It could also be minus 1 by a cot inverse x by a. अगर तुम इसको if converted to cot, it will be minus 1 by cot inverse x by a. Third, integration dx divided by under root of x square plus a square. Under root x square plus a square would be log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square. The fourth one is dx divided by under root of x square minus a square. It will be again log x plus under root of x square minus a square. So this term will be over here. This term will be over there. The fifth one is without root, x square minus a square. So this is 1 by 2a log factors of x square minus a square, x minus a. Another factor is x plus a. And the last formula is dx divided by a square minus x square, which is 1 by 2a log a plus x over a minus x, the mod. So that's how you integrate. These are the 6 results. So whenever you use any question, you need to write the formula you're using that question. उससे क्या होगा? You'll remember the question as well. I mean the formula also. For example, dx divided by root of 9 minus x square, dx divided by 4x square plus 25, dx divided by x square minus 4x plus 10, and dx divided by root of x minus a into b minus x. Let's answer these 4 questions. हम्म नहीं, सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं था, ये तो वो था ना। अरे तो बताया तो था तुम्हें, ये यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइन बी माइनस ए साइन। हाँ हाँ ठीक है, किया तो था क्लास में। ठीक है। तो अभी तो गिर जाता ना फोन, ये टूट जाता। वो तो घुंघरू मैंने बांधे हुए थे इसलिए बच गए। तो जब जब साइन साइन होता है ना, तो यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइन ए माइनस बी। नो नो, दे आर ऑल डिफरेंट। हाँ तो that's what integration is. In the examination, they won't ask you this, use the integration and use the substitution or use by parts. खुद करना होता है. So that's why we're doing so many questions in the class. Now, in the first question, you can directly apply the formula. Which formula you can apply? The first one, root of 3 square minus x square, and your answer would be sine inverse x by 3 plus c. Thank you very much. Done. Second question karo. Ensure that in this question, the coefficient of x square is 1. So it'll be better if you take 4 out. Take 4 common. Otherwise you need to divide. 4 common le lo. 4 is out, and then apply the formula. तुम कहाँ थी कल फिजिक्स क्लास में? ये तो बोले मूवी देखने गई है. So in the second one, you take 4 out. So when you take 4 common, it will be dx divided by x square plus 25 by 4, which you can write as 5 by 2 the whole square. Now, which formula you can use? Number 2. So it will be 1 by 4, 1 by a. What is a? A is 5 by 2. Tan inverse x by a. A is 5 by 2. 2 say you can cancel. 4 will be 1 by 10. Tan inverse 2x by 5. In the next one, you can't apply the formula directly. So you have to basically complete the whole square. थर्ड में परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, कंप्लीट द होल स्क्वायर। परफेक्ट स्क्वायर में कन्वर्ट करो, एंड दिस परफेक्ट स्क्वायर थिंग यू कैन डू ऑन द साइड्स, ठीक है। कंप्लीटिंग द होल स्क्वायर। Now you can write this root 6 whole square, and then decide which formula you want to apply. +4 -4 करोगे ना, तो फिर -4 आएगा। स्टेप मत खाओ। So completing the whole square, what you do is identify coefficient of x square, which is already 1, no issue. Identify coefficient of x, which is 4. Divide the coefficient of x by 2, and whatever number is there, you square it, and this square thing has to be added and subtracted. So after this, it becomes whole square, x minus 2 whole square plus 6. 6 you can write as root 6 ka whole square. So 6 you write as root 6 whole square. Again, it is x square plus a square. The only difference is in place of x, you have x minus 2. In place of a, you have root 6. So what is the answer? Answer would be 1 by a, tan 1 by a, which is 1 by root 6. Tan inverse. In place of x, you have x minus 2 by a, which is root 6. In the next question, first you multiply them, then convert into perfect square. First you multiply and then convert into whole square. And convert into perfect square by, so in the next one, again perfect square. First you open the brackets. This is x minus a into b minus x. Open the brackets, xb minus x square minus ab plus ax, right? Take minus sign common because coefficient of x square has to be positive 1. So it will be minus xb minus ax plus ab. Now what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is a plus b, is it? ये आ रहा है? Coefficient of x is a plus b or a minus b? A plus b only, no? X b, bx was positive. 1 minute. I've taken minus common. Then ax is also positive. ठीक है. Now, coefficient of x is a plus b. So divide this by 2, add and subtract. A plus b divided by 2 whole square, add and subtract. Adding and then subtracting also. We have added a plus b by 2 whole square and we subtracted the same, right? So now it is a perfect square. This is perfect square what? x minus a plus b by 2 the whole square. Now over here take LCM and tell me the answer. Simplify. LCM and then open the bracket also. ये परफेक्ट्स का ना अलग से बनाओ, वरना वो पूरा इंटीग्रेशन कैरी करते जाओगे तुम, रूट पूरा पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा. So what you do is you make perfect square separately and in the end substitute in the question integral. What is this coming out to be? Hmm? 2ab minus. First you take minus sign common. So it will be a plus b by 2 whole square by 4. And it will be negative sign. People normally will make mistake over here only. So it is minus x minus a plus b by 2 the whole square. Now you take LCM. 4, open this. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab. So this is basically a minus b the whole square. Generally, the mistakes would be here. You don't change the sign because there's a negative sign, so change the sign. So this will cut with this. So this is a minus b the whole square. So perfect square would be minus sign out, x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 the whole square. And if in the question has been given that b is more than a, then you write b minus a the whole square. I have taken minus sign common, so minus sign took LCM 4ab. Then you multiply negative sign inside. So this is the process of completing the whole square. So this is your question now. Now the question is dx divided by root of a minus b by 2 whole square minus x minus a plus b by 2 the whole square. So now we can decide which formula to be used. Under root a square minus x square. So it is sine inverse. It is under root a square minus x square. In place of x, you have x minus a plus b by 2. In place of a, you have a minus b by 2. So your answer would be sine inverse. What is x? X minus a plus b by 2. And what is a? A is plus c. That's your answer. Any doubt you can ask. Question क्या था? The question था x minus a inside the root and b minus x. ये था. This is important question. हाँ, right. Log. Because log of negative is not defined. If you have any doubt, ask. Mhm. So if x square coefficient is minus 1, take minus 1 sign common. यही गलती होती है. And suppose in the question you've been given that b is more than a. Suppose यहाँ दिया होता b more than a. So write b minus a whole square, है ना? हो गया? Right. Assignment दिखाओ. Done. Anuj, Mehira,
Yes, sir.
Ren, Zaina.
Yes, sir.
रोते हो क्यों ऐसे बोल रही हो? यस सर. मजा नहीं आ रहा इंटीग्रेशन में?
सर आ रहे हैं.
आ रहा है. तो खुशी खुशी को नहीं बोल रही हो? See, integration is something like, different. So your room is, totally mismanaged. Everything is here and haywire. So you try to, adjust everything. जो तुम्हें मम्मी घर पे करती है ना काम, वो होता है इंटीग्रेशन करना, डिफरेंशिएट मतलब उल्टा कर दो. That's why integration is slightly difficult. Not slightly, but yes. Now, question number 6 on page 6 of the assignment. Question 6 on the page number 6. There are in the question 6 there are only 47 questions. So we'll answer few now and rest you will answer at home. And which questions? Question 6 on page 6. Question number 13. Question 22. Question 31. And 45. Answer these four questions. Question 6, page 6. First तो I've already done, कर लिया मैंने. वो बेसिक्स थे. And I'm very happy that you have done all the questions of the last homework. Nice. Kiran, last class में whatever homework I gave you, you finished all those, no? Good. Ashmi, keep it up. एडवांस में तारीफ कर रहा हूँ ना ताकि कर लेगी. मीरा ने सारे कर लिया, राइट. 180 डिग्री स्माइल से पता लग रहा है तुम्हें सारे किए. Arshia, how many questions did you practice at home from substitution one?
सर अभी सारे तो नहीं हुए.
चलो, somebody is honest. Question 13. आन्या बोलना क्या है क्वेश्चन? B. Right. So ensure that the coefficient of x square is 1. So take B out. As a result, this integral would be a by b whole square minus x square the root. Now which formula you want to apply? First one. A square minus x square. So 1 by b sine inverse x over a by b. कर सकते हैं, but in that case you'll forget to divide by b because coefficient of x. So that is why you should make coefficient of x square as 1. Otherwise you'll forget to divide. So better that ensure that the coefficient of x square is 1. Only b. Only the coefficient of b. Coefficient of x से divide करते हैं. ये नई स्टाइल है. यहाँ पहुंचिए तुम. हाँ, अल्फा अल्फा इज ए कांस्टेंट. ओपन करो साइन ए प्लस बी से. साइन ए प्लस बी से ओपन करो इसको. In the next question, it's a very popular question. You need to open using sin a plus b. It is dx divided by sine cube x into sine x plus alpha, right? Alpha is a constant. A similar question you might come across, and it will be cos cube x cos x plus alpha. Any idea, Vika, what to do?
सर शायद साइन ए प्लस बी लगा के मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
नहीं, मल्टीप्लाई मत करो. यूज साइन ए प्लस बी, आइडेंटिटी ऑफ साइन ए प्लस बी, and then take sin x common from the identity. Sin x cos alpha, cos x sin alpha. Take sin x common. कोई बात नहीं, I'll take. जबरदस्ती से sin x कॉमन ले लिया मैंने, तो यहाँ बचा cos alpha. यहाँ here you have cos x by sin x. Ren, you understand Hindi, na? Little bit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because next year you'll be coming to SP Delhi, so you have to know.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, I've taken sin x common root. So now sin square x will be out from the root. 1 by sin square x is cos 6 square x dx. And in fact, this question is of not of standard integral. Here you have to basically make substitution. So you can use substitution. What to substitute? Any idea? देखो question देखो. The term inside the root, the entire term you can write as, yes, इस पूरी term. नहीं, वो तो टाइम मैंने चेंज करवा दिया था, 8:30 करा दिया उसको. So the entire term in the denominator you can take t, but I would suggest you take as t square. रूट का हाँ, रूट का लफड़ा ही खत्म हो जाता है फिर. टेक t square.